Of you, I am present here to discuss about how can you improve your English. So let us start to talk about English. So we are going to discuss about English with two students. One is Deepak and Harsh. Deepak and Harsh, please come here. Hi Harsh,
Hello,
how are
sir.
you?
I am fine, sir. And what about you?
I am also fine. Hi Deepak,
Hi sir.
how are you?
I'm fine sir. And
Okay,
you?
sit down. I am also fine too.
Thank you
Now,
for calling me.
both of you, now that what is the topic today?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the topic?
Sir, the topic is to importance of English.
Okay. Today's topic is because both of you are going to discuss about what is the importance of English, what is the advantage of English, and some words about his family and other things. So let us start with their conversation. So listen him carefully and learn something. And if you like my video and encourage from this video, then you can subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Now you are listening, both of you. Deepak, take this and start conversation.
Hello, Deepak. How are you?
I'm fine. And you has?
I am also fine. So today we are going to discuss about importance of English. So before discussing, I want to know about yourself and your family members.
I'm Deepak. I'm in standard 10th and my father's name is Gopal Kumar. He is an electrician. My mother's name is Neetu Devi. She's an housewife and I have also one brother and one sister.
Okay. So you also want to know about me?
No, you can ask question from me.
Okay. So let's start the discussion. So can you tell me the importance of English?
Yes. You know that English is very important, as you say. We can improve our English by some tips that I'm going to give. We can read English books and watch English televisions, and we have to carry a dictionary to improve our word power. We can also read newspapers and translate and we can also read Hindi newspapers and translate it into English, and we can speak in English as we can and don't be afraid to for mistakes, and that's all.
Okay, so you told that we can improve our English by watching English movies. So can you please demonstrate your point?
Yes. Even if we watch English movies, we see what's happening in the movie, and we can imagine, and they're also talking in English. Then we can learn from that. We can easily learn English from that and what's happening and what he is telling.
Okay, so by you told the importance of English. Now can you tell me some advantages of learning English?
Yes. Nowadays, English is very popular and it is a global language. If we go outside of our country, English is very common and we can talk to anyone, and in any country we can conversate with anyone with the help of English. So English is very necessary.
Okay, so you told in other countries. So can you tell me about in India?
Yes.
How can we?
You know that in India there is a variety of languages. In every state there is other language, but English is like a link. We can talk with other people. That if we don't know our language, we can talk with the help of English.
Okay, so I have listened that there are some apps for learning English. So can you tell me some apps?
I don't believe in apps. I think we can improve our English by learning books and watching television. And app is also very useful, but I don't think any app.
Okay, so thank you, Deepak, for this conversation. Nice to meet you, and thank you to you, Vikas sir, for giving us the opportunity to to have a discussion between us. So thank you. Thank you, Deepak.
हेलो। एंड आप लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरह से ये दोनों डिस्कशन किए हैं। इस तरह से आप लोग भी घर में बैठ के डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं ताकि आपका जो है फ्लुएंसी और ये डर जो है मन से निकले। यू कैन ऑल्सो डिस्कस इन योर होम with the 2 peoples, okay, and more than 3 peoples, and improve your English, okay. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Thank you again.